Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammad Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover with the bouquet style heart shape. You can use this one for the Valentine's Day or for your friendship, for your mother, for your wife. It's depend on you what occasion you want to use, especially for the lover one. For that we need quilling tool, glue, round dies and some strips. So first of all friends, we will start to make the heart shape. For that, the bigger heart shape, for that we need 297 mm strip of parrot green I am using, and we are using 5 different colors for this bouquet, and put in the 23 mm round die. We have to press it and get the petal shape, and I already make one before. We have to put the glue and make it the shape of heart. If you are my subscriber, you know the rest of videos. I already make many videos related to Valentine's Day, so you can get the idea about the making the heart. For the smaller one, we have to use the 150 mm strip of red color I'm using here to showing you, and we have to put in the 12 mm round die. Put the glue, same strategy as we did with the bigger one. Put the glue, and I already make one before. So friends, we make the heart shape. The branches you can use two strips of 75 mm size, 2 strips 100 mm, and one is 120 mm. And the decoration of bouquet, for that we need 75 mm strip of red color. We have to put the glue and make it join like this shape. After that we have to press and put the glue in the middle. And make the joint. You can see we made it. Now the other one, we have to take the 75 mm strip and press from the middle and cut from the edges to middle to make the shape, and just move the opposite side, two of them, the two part of strips. Put the glue and make the joint at the middle of that one. So friends, we make the heart, a bigger one or small one, small heart, and the branches of the bouquet I will show you how I joined. So let's start friends to put the stuff on the greeting card cover. So friends, as I told you about the branches, see, I make the joint with the different sizes of branches as I told you before the sizes. So we have to put it here, and this one on that. From red we will start, red, blue, pink, yellow, and green one. The others we can use the tweezer to put one by one. and pink on the end. So friends, we complete our greeting card cover, heart-shaped bouquet style for Valentine's Day and for the special occasion for the lovers. So I hope you learn from our video. If you like our video, please comment below the video, share the video and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon that can give you the notification of our latest and new video. So until next video friends, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and keep supporting our channel.